What is up, guys? In this video we'll be unboxing and testing. We'll also take a first look at the EVPAD Model 11P TV box. So someone reached out to me from EVPAD Limited Company. They wanted to send this most recent product to me for review. So this product came from overseas. They sent it here to the Philippines. This supports 4 gigs of RAM. It has air mouse. We'll take a look later. And it has a remote control that is wireless and voice supported. So this is the TV box itself. So this is just your typical size of a TV box. It has the EVPAD branding on the top. Then beneath we have the model number. So this is the 11P. It supports up to 1000 Mbps and 8K resolution, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and it runs on Android 12. So other things inside the box, we have a product manual. But before we proceed, I saw some disclaimers here at the back. So this is an important notice to all EVPAD customers. So they are the authorized distributors and retailers of EVPAD hardware product only, and you are advised to exercise caution when downloading and using any third-party contents, products, and services on the EVPAD, including movies, TV series, games, and other applications. Right now, it's powering up, I guess. It has the in blue light indicator, and we have the power cable connected already. Then right now, we'll just connect the HDMI and the Ethernet. Right now, we'll just use the remote control to navigate. All right, let us set it with Filipino. This is your disclaimer. So for the first step, we have to pair this remote for us to continue. So we have to press the left and right button simultaneously and release the indicator light after entering the long flash state. Okay, the setup is complete. This has no pre-installed apps. We have to install it on our own. So the first step is to go to the ORS. Then at the ORS, you have to click on the website 6868jx.net. Then if you click the search button, this whole thing will pop up. So again, we are using 11P, so this is the 11th gen. So we just double click on that to begin the downloading. So this will take a few seconds and we just install the app. After opening, this will be your interface. We have a lot of countries to choose from, and we have different kinds of movies, TV shows. So let's try to play something here. We have the latest release, new arrival, Netflix, Hong Kong, China, Taiwan, Japan, Korea. So we also have music videos. So this is your interface. Your usual TV box interface. Then it's segregated into film, drama, comic, child, short, sports. Of course, we have the live. So this is like your TV setup. Then we have some recommended here. Mostly are Chinese TV shows. These are some of the TV shows here. I think a lot of Western TV shows also. We're trying to play Chinese to see if there's any subtitles. They do. Oh, yes. So there is subtitles. Very cool. So can you show us how the air mouse works? So there's a button here. You have to click it. So after clicking it, you can see the cursor. Yes. So what she's doing is just moving it, and it follows. So it's very a convenient tool. So there you guys have it for the initial setup and installation for the EVPAD 11P. There are a few sellers here in the Philippines. I will try to check their legitimacy and provide the product link in my video description if you are interested.